وسلم دائما 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 دائما.
So we're going to show you our first day of Ramadan Iftari. On this day we did film 2 videos for our channel, 2 tutorials, so our mint chutney and of course our Malai sundish. By the time you see this, those 2 videos would already be up. So we're including that in our Iftari. There's the Malai sundish for our desserts. So for our Iftari today, we have some chana, of course, the classic chana, Malai sundish, mint chutney. We got 2 different types of mint chutneys and they tasted absolutely delicious. We also have the classic samosas, which is my sister's favourite, and of course biryani, which my mum nearly all the time makes. Now we're also going to start off with some herbal tea. This herbal tea has many health benefits. If you want a recipe for this, comment down below, we'll do a tutorial on that. So we're just pouring that in, mixing it with some organic honey. Tend to break our fast without dates and have a sip of water and then have this tea before having our food. However, we don't always do that. Sometimes we are a bit too hungry. Here we're just setting up my sister's plates. Now more near Iftar time, we're just putting our last ingredient, which is olive oil, and stirring that in, so that's ready. Now, not only are we preparing our iftari, we're also preparing for our iftar table and iftar ideas. video which we posted last year, and we've posted a new one this year. So by the time you see this, our last video would have been the iftar table setting. So check that out, it'll be linked in the description. So here we have my mum's homemade gulab jamuns. They look absolutely delicious. My mum's homemade gulab jamuns recipe will be linked in the description. Here we have our keema kachori in preparation. I do try to help, but my mum works so quickly. She gets things done so quickly. Some more keema kachoris in preparation. So I came over to see what my mum's doing. She finished frying the doi bora. Now I'm going to begin putting the doi bora together. Now that dish is complete, I'm getting ready to make the lassi, which will be our drink. Can't wait to have this in Iftar time, as it will be nice and refreshing and cooling. So I've got my dates that were soaked in milk. Now our lassi is ticked off our checklist, then we can move on to the next thing. Now, because we're going to be filming our iftar table video, basically different ideas of iftari items that we like this year, we're going to be having a few desserts on this table. Instead of we usually have one dessert. Now my mum already made khala jamuns this morning, so I'm just collecting them from the fridge. They look amazing, and they're going to be used on our iftar table, and my mum's going to put the whipped cream inside the khala jamuns to make a nice filling and for the presentation. Take a kazoo, take this.
That kazoo, what's inside it?
Bismillah. Plate it all. আর কি লিতে এটা ওটা একটা খাইতে
The dupping up to get.
খাও
Okay.
চকলেট লাভ করে দিতানি
Okay.
এখানে আমার গ্লাস দিলাম কল
What's that?
খাও লো ইফতার বানা
Eat it slowly.
There's some waffle in there.
Yeah, there's loads of stuff on the table, so you just pick and eat.
কবাব খাও দেখো কবাব নি
You know what to make so bad? This is bad. Got tomato. So I did think tomato. I can buy tomato. Let's cook it. Kebab. That's like cheese. That's the perfect stuff. You did it. What's inside here? What?
Say bye-bye.
Bye.
Now that's not it. Don't forget to watch part 2 that we will upload next on our channel, and subscribe and comment down below what you like to see in the future, and thanks for watching. Bye.